Hey guys, it's Rahim. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to share a short conversation I have with one of my student investors on how she could raise £50,000. And obviously, because she's done what I've advised her to do in terms of her credit scores and all that sort of thing. So the bank has now provisionally called her in to lend her £50,000, and that £50,000 we've already got £17,000 to go on with, so we're going to add those two money to start our investment. But if you want to learn what the process is, I'll advise you to watch this video until the end so you can see exactly what conversation we had, so maybe you can replicate that to start raising your own finances to start your property investment journey.
Because he's always keeping an eye on my account for me.
Okay.
So he called me this morning. He said to me, "Oh, I saw that they are offering you 50,000
Okay.
loan."
Mm-hmm.
So I said to him, anyway, he said to me, "Will you be able to come and see me today?" So I said, "Well, okay, I'll come and see me before 2:45." He said, "It's okay." So I said, "Okay, let me just call you first and ask you, what should I do?"
Right. Okay. So who's offering you the £50,000 loan? Barclays. Okay.
Yeah.
So so they have shortlisted you that you're eligible to get up to £50,000, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So is the bank that rang you, or you just?
Yeah, it's the bank. Because normally sometimes they will just put an offer on my account that if I want the loan or something. So, but because they've been offering me before, but anyway, I just didn't take it at the time. So today he called me, because he normally calls me anyway when he sees the offers as well.
Yeah. Okay.
And he said to me, "Oh, I saw that there's this thing, £50,000. Would you like to come and have a review of your finances?"
Fantastic.
So I said to him, "Well,
okay,
yeah."
Right. So we've already got some in savings, right? We've got about 20,000, no? If I remember correctly.
Yeah, I think so, almost, yeah, because I can easily make it, because about like 17,000.
Right, fine.
Yeah.
This could be a good thing if they can approve that to us. We can start buying houses.
Yeah.
Yeah, so go and get the most you can get out of it. If they can give you the 50, take all of it, right? If you've got 17 already, that takes us to 67. We can start buying houses this month. Okay. Right? So that could be a good advantage for us, right? All I would say is basically is that they are going to assess your income and your expenses. They want to see you're making more than what you're using. Basically, they want to lend money to people that don't need it, right?
Okay.
So get that idea for when you go to the appointment, and then that way, then you may be able to get the 50K or nearly to the 50K, and then as soon as they approve that in principle, you need to let me know straight away. So we can then start looking for properties. So by the time they got that loan to you, we've already got somewhere to put the money.
Okay. All right. Yeah, because I told him that because I'm going home on Friday, this coming Friday.
For when you go on holiday, you come back, then you know you got the money ready. But don't go spend the 17,000, okay?
No. So what I'm gonna do? So if I tell them to put it on this weekday, so weekday is like around July when I'm coming back.
Yeah, you would know when you're coming back, aren't you? That I wouldn't know. You know when you're coming back. You want them to put the money back when you're back. If they said no, if we approve, we need the money now. You need to pay it now in your account. So okay, fine. We just have to have it because we need it anyways. But ideally, it's just to save us the interest payment. We want them to pay it for when we're using it.
In around July, July.
Yes.
When I come back.
Yes, and again, when they ask you what you're gonna do with the money, don't say you're gonna go buy houses. Say, look, I'm just gonna maybe upgrade my flat a little bit, paint and decorate it, finish my flat, and then the rest probably I can buy a car or something like that.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So that's what we're gonna do. So yes, as I said, expenses and income, that's the key things. And then obviously what you're going to do with the money, which I've just told you. And then let's go and see if you can get it.
Okay. No problem.
As much as you can, squeeze it. As much as you can, that's what we need. Yeah?
Okay. All right. Okay.
All right. No problem.
Okay, Rahim. Okay.
Let me know how it goes.
Okay. All right then. Thank you.
All right.
Okay,
cheers. Bye. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, smash the like button below. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing the next one. Thank you.